Hello 108 students, Mr. McHugh back here with you for our last page of section 2.1. We're going to tackle page 4 and we're going to handle those crazy conditions I was telling you about beforehand. So look at example 5b and we're going to notice that it looks just like any other algebra equation. There's no clues to tell you what might be going to happen to you. All you can do is start to isolate and work through your algebra properties to isolate the variable. I see the parentheses on the right hand side. I use the distributive property and I multiply and the result is 5x minus 15. Now over here on the left hand side I also have 5x minus 15. So that might catch your eyes and you note that the left side equals the right side and maybe you think something's fishy going on here. Okay. So with that in mind, your next step would be to combine like terms. Always start with the variable x first. Always figure out what side that's going to go on. So you it's a 5x and a 5x. Maybe in your brain you're thinking you want to move this 5x over to the other side. So you would minus 5x and you have to maintain balance. Subtraction property of equality, maintain balance. You minus 5x on both sides. Perfectly legal operation. And you get ready to combine like terms. Add your columns up. Here's a 0. Here's negative 15. 5x minus 5x is also 0. And here's the negative 15 comes down. And all of a sudden you look and you go, holy moly, WTH. What the heck happened to my x variable? It's gone. Kind of reminds me of the old Sarah Hall & Oates song, She's Gone, from the 80s. Okay, there's no x. What are you left with? Negative 15 equals negative 15. Is this a true statement? That's the question. Is this a true statement? And the answer is yes. Therefore, the solution set is going to be all real numbers. Okay, that's what you got to remember. When you see a true statement at the end of an equation, you have a true statement. Now, I'll leave it at go at that, except if you look at example 5c, let's see now look how close these are to being almost the same. Now, we start example 5c, and I see the distributive property because of the parentheses. Get rid of them. Result is 5x minus 20. I see 5x on both sides. Now, I'm going to minus 5x on both sides. A shortcut that you can maybe start to see, and make sure you use this carefully, is when you see the exact same term on both sides of the equation, a positive 5x and a positive 5x, in effect you can cross them out because they're going to cancel out, because you're going to minus 5x on both sides and you're going to get the 0 and a 0. But look what happens over here. You bring down to minus 15, okay, and you bring down to minus 20, and you're left with negative 15 equals negative 20. Now, is that a true statement? And the answer is, of course, no. It is not a true statement. Therefore, it's false. Not a true statement. It's a false statement, and there are no values that make the equation true. No matter what you put in for x, you're never going to find it. On the other hand, let me come up here and make this comment. When you have an identity type, no matter what value you put in for x, you put x equals 1, you put x equals 15, x equals 100, it will make the left side equal to the right side. That's why there's many solutions. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that. Oops. Got to watch that scroll button there. Okay, come down here. Your solution set is the null set. You do one or the other. Either you put the symbol or you put brackets with nothing in it. Do not put the bracket, put the null set, and put the bracket. This is completely wrong. Okay, so there you go. You're going to get a couple of those out of 2.1, so hopefully you're getting warmed up here, a little bit of algebra, and you should be good to go. Okay, so I'm going to wrap it up here. I will see you for section 2.2. Okay, bye.